Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use DSers with eBay so you can automate your product sourcing, manage your listings efficiently, and scale your dropshipping business with ease in 2026. Let's get into it. First, connect your eBay store to DSers. The first step is establishing a secure link between the DSers platform and your eBay seller account. This allows the two systems to share data on products and orders. Log in to your DSers account. On the platform selection page, look for the eBay icon. Click it, and you will be redirected to an eBay authorization page. Log in to your eBay account if prompted, then click Agree and Continue to grant DSers permission to manage your listings and orders. In 2026, DSers has expanded beyond just Shopify to become a multi-channel powerhouse. Connecting directly to eBay ensures that your store is synced, meaning any action you take in DSers, like updating a price or adding a tracking number, will automatically reflect on your live eBay listings. Once your store is linked, you can find products to sell. DSers is primarily integrated with AliExpress and other global suppliers to give you a massive catalog to choose from. This is the curation phase. In 2026, DSers includes a supplier optimizer tool that helps you find the same product from different suppliers at lower prices or with faster shipping. By importing products into a central list first, you can compare quality and margins before ever making them live on eBay. eBay has specific requirements for titles and descriptions. You shouldn't just push the raw supplier data, you need to optimize it for the eBay search algorithm. In 2026, eBay shoppers value transparency and professional-looking listings. By using the DSers editor to remove watermarked images and overly technical Chinese supplier titles, you make your items look like they are coming from a premium brand, which significantly increases your conversion rate. You can select the products in your import list and click the Push to eBay button to finalize your listing. And that's pretty much it. To use DSers with eBay in 2026, connect your store through the platform selection page and import winning products from the supplier tab. Customize your titles and pricing in the import list to match eBay's standards, then push the listings live using your business policies. Finally, use the Open Orders tab to fulfill sales in bulk and let DSers automatically sync the tracking numbers back to your customers. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.